Hi, good day everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna share with you on how to solve number analogy in easy way. If you are first timer to take the civil service career exam, this is proven and tested that it can help you to save time because civil service exam is time limited. Imagine 180 minutes, the items is 170, therefore 1 minute per question. But how about the problem solving? Paragraph organization, reading comprehension, can you guarantee that you can answer within 1 minute per question? So if you are interested, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button to be notified for my upcoming new techniques. Now we will start number analogy. Number analogy, that is ratio and proportion, and the mathematical operation that can be applied, that is multiplication, division, equals, and reciprocal. Example, we have first example, A is to B as C is to blank. Example, blank is to 0.6 as 3/4 is to 0.75. You have the hint because 3/4 equals 0.75. So, therefore, A and B is the partner. C and blank now is the partner. But how to get the 3/4 out of 0.75? So, let's divide 1, that is constant, and count the number of digits. 1, 2. So, only 1, 2. So, 2, 0. 0. Therefore, 75 and 100, you are going to find the number that can divide both, which is 25. 75 divided by 25, that is 3. And 100 divided by 25, that is 4. So that is 3/4. But how about 0.6? So for 0.6, that is divide 1. And count the number of digits. 6 is only 1, so only 1 0. Then you divide by 2. 6 divided 2 is 3. And 10 divided 2 is 5. Therefore, the answer is 3/5. Next example, number 2. 65% is to 13 as 30% is to 6. Options, letter A is 8, letter B is 9, letter C is 10, and letter D is 6, letter E is 4. So you have to examine the given numbers. Since there is a percentage sign, you are going to cancel percentage. Then you have to find a number that can divide 30. 30 can be divided by 5. So 30 divided by 5, that is 6. You get the answer of 6, which is option letter D. To prove that this is A is to B, partner of A and B, and C is to blank, 65 divided by 5. 6 divided 5 is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. Difference of 6 and 5, that is 1. So, naging 15. 15 divided by 5, that is 3. So, therefore, it is already proven that this is A is to B and C is to blank. So, another way of solving from a school process, which is from the school, 65% is to 13 as 30% is to blank. So, our unknown is this is X. So, the partner of X is 65% and the partner of 13 is 30%. Therefore, 65% X equals 13 times 30%. To get your X, so you are going to divide 65% to cancel out and move to the next as your denominator on the other side, 65%. So this percent, cancel percent, move decimal point twice to the left. Cancel percent, move twice to the left. So it is already decimal. So, our denominator is not a whole number. So, we are going to make a whole number by moving our decimal point twice to the right. Okay. Again, 30 and 65, we have to find a number that can divide both. So, which is 5. 30 divided by 5 equals 6. 6 divided by 5, that is 1. And 5 times 1 is 5. Difference of 6 and 5, that is 1. So, therefore, naging 15. 15 divided by 3 is, 15 divided by 5 is 3. So, cancel this one. So, 13 divided by 13, that is 1. And 13 divided by 13 is 1. Therefore, the remaining number is 1 times 6 equals 6. The same answer with the other process, but from the school, it is a long process. It takes time, while the other option or the other process of solving this number is a very short time. You can save time. This is from Rabar Review Center. Another number, number 3. 256 is to 4 to the power of 4 as 1296 is to blank. Our option is A, 7 to the power of 4, B, 4 to the power of 3, letter C, 6 to the power of 4, and letter D is 4 to the power of 5, and letter E, 5 to the power of 3. Our given numbers, which have a 4, the power of 4, is only letter A and letter C. So, we have to concentrate letter A and letter C, since our given is 4 to the power of 4. If we multiply 7 times 7, that is 49. 1, 2. You add another number. So, 7, this is 63. And if we multiply another 1, 7, that is only 21, which you cannot get the last digit number of 6 from 1296. So, it's not the answer. So, while number 3, which is 6 times 6, that is 36. 6 times 6, that is 36. Another number, 6. So, this one is the answer because the last digit of 6 you can get from 1,296. So your answer is option number or letter C, which is 6 to the power of 4. Next is number 4. Blank is to 60% as 3/4 is to 75%. Now our options: A is 1/3, B is 2/5, letter C 3/5, letter D 1/6, letter A 2/6. 3/4 it is equals for 75%. And how to get your answer from 60%? 60%, cancel percent, move decimal point twice to the left, and divide by 1. Constant po ito ng 1. Next, count the number of digit. This is 1, 2, so only 2 zeros. Next, you are going to cancel this one, the last zero, and find a number that can divide 6 and 10, which is 2. 6 divide 2 is 3. And 10 divide 2 is 5. Now your answer is option letter C. Number 5. Number 5, that is 0.35 is to 7 as 0.45 is to blank. Option 0.9, letter B, 9, letter C, 14, and letter D, 8, letter E, number 12. So, these given numbers, this is A, the partner is B, and C is for blank. We disregard the point, 35 divided by 7, that is 5. If we divide 35 divide by 5, so 7. Therefore, 45 divided by 5 is 9. So the answer is option number letter B. Another way of solving is 0.35 is to 7 as 0.45 is to blank. So the partner of 0.35 is X and 7 is 0.45. 0.35x equals 7 times 0.45. To get your x, divide by 35. So cancel, move 35.35 in the other side. Again, we're going to make a whole number. Your denominator will be a whole number by moving your decimal point twice to the right. So 7 can be divided by 7. So that is 7. So 7 divided by 7, that is 1. 35 divided by 7, that is 5. And 45 can be divided by 5, which is 9. So therefore, your answer, final answer is letter B, which is 9. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share my video. If you have any suggestion related to CSC, just comment down below. Daghang salamat!